how to put music on a USB from a laptop, or how to put songs in pen drive from laptop. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can put music or how you can transfer music from laptop to USB or pen drive. Now it's quite simple and easy. First, what you'll need to do is connect your pen drive to the pen drive socket here on your laptop. Now just connect it. You'll find it at the left hand side of your laptop, and once you connect it, you can see the notification will pop up. Now I've just connected my phone with a USB cable. Now the process is quite similar. If you want to transfer any files to your phone, or if you want to transfer any other documents to your phone, as well as music and videos as well, simply open up your file here, and on the files here you can see, if you head into your PC, you'll find your device here once you have connected it. My machine here, you can see it's just my phone here. Now what you want to do is first head into the folder where you have downloaded the file, the music or any other file that you want to transfer. Now here in my case, I'll just head into downloads. If you have music here, or if you have any other file, what you can do is simply click on it and right click with the mouse and then simply copy it. Once you copy it, what you want to do is head into this PC and then head into your device here, whether you have connected USB or any other devices, hardware, flash drives or pen drive. Simply head into it, and under internal storage, head into the folder where you want to move the music or any other files to. I'll just head into my documents here. I'll just head into downloads here and then simply right click on the mouse and then simply paste it, and it will be pasted, as you can see. So this way you can put music on a USB from a laptop, or you can put songs in pen drive from laptop, and you can put other documents and files and videos as well. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.